When building a modern application that requires audio calls, video conferencing, live streaming, voice chat, or real time communication, two popular open source solutions often come into consideration: LiveKit and GTC. Both platforms allow developers to integrate real time communication features into their application, but they are designed with different goals and target audience in mind. In this video, we will understand what LiveKit and GTC are, explore their features, advantages, limitations, and compare them in details to help you choose the right solution for your project. So, let's get started. First, what is LiveKit? LiveKit is an open source real-time communication platform built on top of WebRTC. It provides developer with API and SDK to create highly scalable audio, video, screen sharing, and live streaming application. Unlike traditional video conferencing tools, LiveKit focuses more on being a developer platform. It gives developers full control over the communication experience while handling complex networking and media processing behind the screen. LiveKit is widely used for video calling application, telemedicine platform, virtual classroom, gaming voice chat, customer support system, live streaming platform, AI voice assistant, collaboration tool. Next, key, key features of LiveKit. First, high quality audio and video. LiveKit automatically adjusts media quality based on network condition, ensuring smooth communication. Second, adaptive streaming means it intelligently delivers video quality according to the user bandwidth and device capability. Third, screen sharing. User can easily share their screens during meeting or presentation. Fourth, recording support. Meetings and sessions can be recorded for future playback. Fifth, real-time data channels. Developers can send custom data such as chat messages, reactions, emoji, and game events. And sixth, mobile SDK support. Officially, SDKs are available for Flutter, Android, iOS, React Native, Web. And seventh, scalability. Scalability means LiveKit is designed to support thousands of concurrent users. And last, AI integration. LiveKit is becoming popular for AI voice agent because it provides low latency audio streaming. Now, what is the advantage of LiveKit? Modern architecture, excellent developer experience, highly scalable, better performance for large application, strong mobile support suitable for production grade apps, active development community. And limitations of LiveKit, more complex initial setup, required backend integrations, not ideal for users seeking an instant meeting solution. Infrastructure management may require technical expertise. And another topic is what is GTC? GTC is an open source video conferencing platform that enables users to create and join meeting directly through a web browser. GTC is famous for its simplicity and easy of use. Many organizations use it as a free alternative to Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. The most popular product in the GTC eco- ecosystem is GTC Meet. User can simply create a meeting link and start a video conference without installing additional software. Common use cases for GTC: online meeting, team collaboration, educational classes, community discussion, video conference, internal company communication. Now let's talk on key features of GTC. First, features of browser-based meeting. It means users can join meeting directly through a web browser. And second one, screen sharing. Participants can share screen during meeting or presentations. And third, chat functionality. Built-in messaging during conference. Fourth, recording. Meeting recording support is available. Meeting links. Instant meeting creation through URL. And cross-platform. Available on web, Android, iOS. And open source. Organization can host their own GTC server. Advantage of GTC: easy setup, free and open source, no account required, quick meeting creation, good for standard video conferencing, large use community, and limitations of GTC: less flexible for custom application development, performance may degrade with large participant counts, limited customization compared to LiveKit. Mobile integration can be more challenging, not ideal for highly interactive real-time applications. LiveKit, GTC comparison, and which one should you choose? For this topic, uh, we we will see PDF. First, I need I need to open my PDF. Features: LiveKit and GTC. Primary purpose: real-time communication platform for building custom app, and GTC ready to use video conferencing solution. Type: open source communication infrastructure, and this also open source video conferencing platform. Target user: developer, startup, enterprises, and this is individuals, teams, organizations like Zoom. Scalability: it's a very high, designed for thousands of concurrent user, and it's a moderate, best for small to medium sized meeting. And audio video quality: it's excellent, adaptive, and high quality, and it has good, suitable for typical meetings. Screen sharing: it has also screen sharing and chat messaging. It has also chat messaging through data channel. It has also but built-in chat recording. It has and it has also mobile SDK, excellent for iOS, Android, Web, Flutter, React Native, Unity, etc. And it has limited only for Android, iOS, and Web. Flutter support: excellent limited. Customization, extensive full control over UI and UIX part and features. It has limited UI customization, possible but less flexible. And real-time data channels, yes, built-in data channels for real-time data, limited, not designed for complex real-time data. AI integration, excellent low latency, ideal for AI voice agent, and basic, not optimized for AI use cases. Easy of setup, moderate, require backend integrates, very easy, deploy and start quickly. Best for custom communication app, large scale solution mobile app, quick meeting, simple video conferencing, team collaboration. Example use cases, telemedicine, e-take, voice chat, live streaming, AI voice agent, customer support app. And JTC for online meetings, virtual classes, internal team meeting, community discussion. And last topic is which one should you choose? Here is the answer for both. Choose LiveKit if you are building a custom application that require real-time audio, video, data, and high scalability. Uh, Choose GTC if you need quick, easy, and free solution for video conferencing and online meeting. LiveKit gives you complete control and scale much better for production environment. And GTC works very well when your primary goals is video conferencing rather than building a custom communication platform. So for this example, real world example, imagine you are developing a counseling applications where a student can book sessions with counselor, send messages, make voice calls and join video session. Using GTC, user join through meeting links, less customization, harder to build WhatsApp-like experience. Using LiveKit, native audio calling, native video calling, better Flutter integration, real-time communication, more control over UI and user experience, better scalability as user grow. This is why many modern startups are moving toward like LiveKit for communication heavy application. Both LiveKit and GTC are excellent open source communication platform, but they serve different purpose. GTC is best behaved as a ready-to-use video conferencing solution. It is simple, fast, and easy to deploy. And LiveKit is best as a communication infrastructure platform. It is designed for developers who want to build a scalable, real-time communication experience inside their own application. If your goal is simply hosting meeting, GTC is great choice. If your goal is building a professional mobile app with voice, video chat, AI integration, and future scalability, LiveKit is generally the stronger option for modern Flutter applications and